There is a huge street side parking here. On one side you can't park, on the other side you can park. I had to walk a little bit of distance, probably 500 meters or something, to go to the falls. The ticket price was 100 rupees. They said the same ticket can be used for another waterfalls here, that is Waterfall Waterfalls. The place where I got the ticket was accepting only online payments, credit card and UPI, whereas this one accepts only cash. This is next to the entrance. There is a pathway leading to the waterfalls. The path continues. I can start hearing the sound of waterfalls, so maybe in a few meters I'll reach there. The path to the full view is a bit rugged. I don't know how far it is. The rugged road continues. At the top I was told that it would take about 10 to 15 minutes to walk down this road to reach the viewpoint. This is Athirappilly Waterfalls. This is Athirappilly Waterfalls. This is upstream of the waterfalls. People are playing with water or take bath. From upstream you can see the waterfalls here. The second one is not very easily visible. If you like my videos, hit the like button. Remember to subscribe to my channel and get notified of my new videos.